Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the physical connections and gathering parts. Check your PC or graphics card for two usable outputs and pick matching cables. If an adapter is needed, choose passive versus active based on signal conversion. Make sure both monitors are powered and on their stands. Once done, route cables to avoid strain, plug each monitor into the PC, and power them up. While you do this, have your keyboard and mouse connected so you can interact with display settings immediately. Now you move into the operating system to make the monitors work together. Open Display Settings and click Detect if a monitor isn't visible. Identify to see which screen is which, then drag to match their physical arrangement. Choose Extend to gain desktop space or Duplicate for mirroring, and set the primary display for taskbars and apps. Adjust each monitor's resolution, scaling, and refresh rate so text and motion appear consistent. Make sure GPU drivers are up to date. This prevents flicker. Finish by calibrating color and brightness so both screens look cohesive, and enable night mode or color profiles if needed for eye comfort. Test window movement across displays and launch a video to confirm smooth playback. If something goes wrong, first swap cables and ports to isolate hardware issues, then check that each monitor's input setting matches the connected port. Update or reinstall GPU drivers and reboot to apply changes. One key troubleshooting tip: if a converted signal fails, use an active adapter. Passive adapters often won't carry the signal you need.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.